Since moving to Arizona, we've been enjoying the easy access to the California coast. It's such a pretty morning. If you saw our previous vlog, you saw we were in San Diego. It's only a 6-hour drive from us, so we just did a little weekend trip there. However, that weekend in San Diego definitely made us miss our truck camper, and we couldn't wait to get back to California for some beachside camping.
Let's go to the beach.
So we have about a 5-hour drive this morning. We are going to be driving the Pacific Coast Highway from San Diego to Malibu. We've never drove this section with the truck camper. We have drove this section before, just not with the truck camper. So today is that day. So one tip for you guys, if you're driving in California, take advantage of the HOV lanes because you can really cruise. Last time we were in California too, we took advantage of this lane because there's 2 of us. So our first little stop here for the morning is by Carlsbad State Beach here. We're just gonna have breakfast here. We figured we'd pull off, enjoy breakfast by the beach, and then keep making our way here to Malibu. This sand here is so soft and pretty. It's like white, soft sand. This is a beautiful beach. The water is really clear here. I'm really surprised. It's really beautiful. Wow, a little chilly, but that's to be expected. We got people down here swimming. We got surfing, paddleboarding. Woo! To take advantage of our outdoor shower, this is perfect for sandy feet. Since the sidewalk is right here, we're listening to all the people comment on our truck camper. I don't know, for anyone who has a truck camper or RV in general, it's so funny, all the comments and the people that stop us to ask us about our truck camper. I don't know if people are just, it's like a new thing to them or if they want to learn more about it, but we always have tons of people commenting or stopping us or staring at us over this truck camper. We are back on the road. We have 2.5 hours till Malibu, and we're officially in traffic. Stopping, going, stopping, going.
California.
We need to get back in that HOV lane, so we're trying. We had to cross 5 lanes, so we're working on it. How's the driver doing?
I'm alright. Doing good. I couldn't live out here. This is madness, but it's nice to visit.
Exactly.
Oh my god, that's so bad. Oh my god.
Continue for 3 miles.
Oh my god, this stinks.
The HOV is in our favor right now. Some fun traffic here, but we're flying in the HOV and everyone else is staying pretty still over here. We survived LA traffic.
It's crazy.
We are back on the PCH, and yeah, I'm just thankful for my life right now. That is way too crazy. I don't get it. Why would you deal with that? I don't know. But much calmer now on the PCH headed to Malibu. Whew. All right, we are back to one of our favorite campgrounds, Thornhill Broome Campground in Malibu. Camping right on the beach. The first time that we stayed at this campground was last Christmas. The fact that it offers direct beachfront camping, we love that, and we knew we would be back one day. This campground is a dry campground. The sites don't have water or electricity hookups, nor do they have an RV dump here. But they do have some porta potties if you need it, so just come prepared if you're looking to stay here. And And trust me when I tell you, you can't get a better sunset spot. This campground is magical for sunsets. So today's a pretty big day. Happy Thanksgiving! We are having Thanksgiving here on the beach today. So we're gonna make a Thanksgiving meal here. Kind of a cheat Thanksgiving meal. We're not going all out with a turkey.
Makeshift Thanksgiving meal.
Makeshift. We're gonna cook all the goods, but just camper style. We're not ready to start cooking yet. It's only like 8 in the morning. So we're just enjoying our coffee, and then I think we're gonna just go do a little bit of hiking this morning before we indulge in some Thanksgiving food. We ended up going to Point Dume State Beach in Malibu, which is another stunning beach here in California. We did have to pay $8 for parking, but this was well worth it, as we were able to back right up to the beach and enjoy these views. And at the end of the parking lot is a hiking trail to the top of Point Dume. This hike is under a mile and really easy to do. Once you're at the top, you're greeted with some of the most beautiful coastal views of Malibu. If you're in Malibu, definitely recommend Point Dume. This is really beautiful and short and easy. Some really pretty views here.
Almost time to start cooking the Thanksgiving feast, but first we must have a few pre-dinner drinks for cocktail hour. First time trying the Malibu Brewing Company, Pacific Gold. I don't know, the guy at the liquor store told me it was really good, so I believed him, but we'll see. Cheers. It is very good. It's not a bad beer. And here's our Thanksgiving dinner fixings. So we're not doing turkey this year, but we're doing some ham instead. You can't have Thanksgiving without cranberries. So we got ham, mashed potatoes, green beans with almonds, cranberries, and yeah, the fixins.
Thanksgiving on the beach.
No stuffing, but we didn't have enough pots and pans going. There's too much going on.
I think this is the most scenic Thanksgiving dinner we've ever had. That was so good. I'm stuck.
Nothing left.
No, clean plate club right here. But you know there's always room for one more thing.
Ooh, what do you got? What do you got for us?
We got the pumpkin pie and ice cream right at sunset.
What a dinner. That was amazing.
We definitely have a lot to be thankful for this year.
Thanks to you guys.
Yeah, thank you guys so much for following along with all our adventures, whatever it is we do, if it's, you know, truck camping, travel guides.
All the craziness.
Yeah, all the crazy stuff, moving, you know, house stuff. Thank you for being part of it all. We really appreciate you guys. So with that said, happy Thanksgiving.